She has finally crossed the threshold. She is officially broken in. My third gen Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, the Tacoma I used to start this channel with, has finally crossed the threshold. It hit 100,000 miles and it is officially broken. Your third gen Tacoma can last forever. You just got to take care of it. Today we're going to be replacing the engine coolant on a third generation Toyota Tacoma. So if you go to my sponsors page on my website, you'll see something called e-manual online. And if you're a shade tree mechanic, would like to save some money on doing your own routine maintenance, I highly recommend going over there because they got all kinds of makes and models. Now, if you're old school like me, you used to be able to go into an auto parts store and pick up maybe a Chilton's auto repair manual. Had everything you'd possibly ever need about your vehicle. Well, you can't do that anymore. So the next best thing is e-manual online. And I want you to check this out. And I actually printed this out and it tells you exact steps on what to do, where things are at, all the details. It even includes Toyota torque specs. If you've never done auto repair before, want to save some money, watch this video, go get this for your third gen Tacoma or whatever vehicle you have. Now they are starting to offer a subscription service as well, but I can get you a discount on either. So head over to the website, let's get to it. This is one of the steps to do. In about 20,000 miles, we'll be changing out our spark plugs again. Let's come over here and talk about engine coolant. For a Toyota, I would always use the Toyota branded pre-diluted super long life antifreeze coolant. Do not buy one from an auto parts store. Get the Toyota brand one. Yes, it is more expensive, but you will prolong the life of your engine if you do this. The other thing is, do not do what I did and buy this. This coolant already has cleaner in it. You don't need it. The only time I would ever use something like this is if you put water in it or something like that. First thing we need to do is connect a hose with an inside diameter of 9mm to the radiator drain cock as shown here. The next step is we'll take off the radiator cap, and then we'll take off the reserve tank cap, and then down here, once we have all those done, we'll just twist this. It should just drain. Now, first thing we're going to do is we are going to take off the radiator cap. Make sure your engine is cool. Set that to the side. I'm going to take off the reservoir cap. Now we're going to plug in a hose right here so we don't have fluid going everywhere. I picked this up at Harbor Freight as part of a pump kit. And then we're going to trim it off. But the next step right here, this is a drain cock plug, and we are going to twist it, and then it's going to drain.
One nap later.
And this is what it looks like at 100,000 miles. Now let's fill the radiator up with a Toyota antifreeze. And then we'll fill up the reservoir to the fill line and start up the truck. And notice if you need to add any. I had to add some about a day later. And put the cap back on. Fill up the radiator first and then go to the reservoir and make sure it's up to the fill line. Regular maintenance on your engine cooling system will prolong the life of your Toyota Tacoma. It can last forever. This is a simple, easy maintenance item that anyone can do. So the first time you need to do this, about 100,000 miles. Then the next time, it'll be about 50 more thousand miles. Toyota antifreeze is very long lasting. It will prolong the life of your engine. And I highly recommend it. You can pick up the Toyota antifreeze at any Toyota dealership. Alright guys, big news. The Smoky Mountain Taco website is finally live. You can now browse every video I've done all in one place, organized, clean, and easy to find. On the right side of every video, you'll see links to the exact products I use. I've also added a sponsor section. There are exclusive discount codes waiting for you there. Save some money, support the channel, win-win. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.